Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, Omniacs from around the world who are holding Omni trading tokens. A quick video for you. I'm here in Amsterdam. I just bought some Omni tokens for myself. Traders, grab your Omni tokens. Look, we're in a nice pennant flag right here. Omni trading. Down below this video, you will find the Omni trading token coin address. If you want to buy any of my Omni tokens, please make sure that you only search on that coin address so that you don't get an imposter coin. But hey, it's doing great. Omniacs around the world. I just hired some influencers tonight, right before I did this video. They'll be working with us all week. Get awareness of our coin out there. Thank you for everything you do, Omniacs. I just went in and bought some. Look for the dev trades. I would like to see us all do the same as an Omniac crowd, and we'll keep the viability going. You know, traders, don't forget, if when it happens and they pass the Clarity Act, I will absolutely put some really cool utility into our token. And I'm thinking outside the box, not just what we could do in Omni World. What can this token be used for outside of Omni World? That's what I've got in mind. Just got to wait for that Clarity Act. Barring that, we are in a pennant flag that usually breaks to the upside. Go Omni, go! Viva la Omni! And remember, kids, stops are in. Emotions are out. Omniacs unite!